Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10X Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, February 23rd. XRP is at $2.56. And guys, this is going to be an XRP weekly analysis video. As we always do, a weekly update on XRP's price action on Sundays. So I will be getting right into it. Let's dive right into the charts. Let's take it to the weekly because we just had the weekly close. We pulled up a little. I would have liked to seen us pull up a little bit more. But that's okay. Guys, I'm hoping we'll start this week off maybe tomorrow with a bottom wick. We'll potentially come down and then shoot up. It is starting to look a little concerning. And I'm just being real with you guys because on this channel, I'm going to keep it real 100%. And I'm not going to give you any fake BS that, you know, this is what I'm just going to keep it real, okay? I'm looking at the daily and I'm thinking that potentially we could be seeing like a head and shoulders on the daily, which is a bearish pattern. This could have been the shoulder there, and then there's the head, and then there's the other shoulder, right? When we take this measured move target on the daily, and we bring it down to the breakout level, if we were to break down, they give us a price target of $1.60. I'm not saying we have to go there. I don't want to go there. I hope we don't. But what's looking to seem, if this is if this was a local high here that we just couldn't get higher than that, if we break this trend line at 246 and we close dailies below there, potentially expect us to get a violent shakedown. So, you know, I'm noting that, and you can almost see this pattern too on the weekly time frame, right? This head and shoulders. It doesn't have to play out. We can get this green candle this week. Everything, look, the eyes are on this week. We have to see, we've got to see some positive price action this week. And that could be fueled by an XRP ETF news, or it could be fueled by the XRP SEC lawsuit being dropped or dismissed completely. Because, you know, that news is right around the corner. We're all waiting for it. So if one of those two things happens this week, either the SEC case gets dropped or an XRP ETF in the US gets approved, if one of those two things happens this week, that will be the catalyst to send XRP up to this top range, the 360 range. That will be the catalyst to have a nice massive green week back up to the upside. Okay? If we don't get any news at all, I'm really just hoping that we can come above the ribbon on the daily. Looking at the weekly, for the weekly close that we just had, we did pull up a little bit. So it's not a completely bearish sign that we're headed down. This could easily be another green week here, especially as we are a little bit oversold in the RSI, potentially looking to make a cross. Notice last time on the RSI on the weekly when this orange line came right below the 20 level, right here, we actually came a little bit lower. We had one more red week, and then we skyrocketed off, and we had 5 green weeks in a row, a massive 5x move on this cross here. This potentially could be a massive, massive move for XRP lining up here when we have this cross on the weekly time frame, which is very interesting to note. Let's see here. Another example. So when we got down to these ranges, guys, note that we did have another red week before having the cross and moving up again. I'm hoping we have a green week, right? Of of course, I want my investments to go up. But this could be another red week. We'll see. Like I said, we might need a catalyst to boost us off. Anything can happen with the price. But as long as we're maintaining this structure, we're looking bullish. The support we need to hold is 246, 247. We're very close to it. We're at 256. So we're a lot closer to the support than we are to the resistance, which is why I'm pointing all this out to you guys on what's going on with the daily and weekly. Resistance is looking at the 360 range. I'll keep you guys updated in the next one. Every single day I drop a video, so you already know I'm keeping you updated daily. This is a weekly update on XRP. I wasn't honestly expecting a massive green week, but we had a red week. So I was thinking we were going to get a bounce just like we did here, and we bounced all the way up. I figured we were going to get a bounce up here, but we didn't. We actually closed a red week. Didn't even pull up as high as I wanted to here. So I'm just noting that, guys, it's just look at what the candles, you know, if you're a candlestick trader and you're looking at the candlesticks to make your decisions on what you're doing in the short term, this thing could roll over and be a massive head and shoulders on the weekly, take us to 160, and then we pop around and blast off. All right, that doesn't have to happen. I'm hoping we have a green week. I'll keep you updated along the way. We'll see what happens. This week is the week that counts. This is the most important week. We also have a monthly candle closing this week, so I would hope that we could run up and pull up this monthly candle before the monthly close. I'll keep you guys updated along the way. Until next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen,